Hey future robotics masters, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of robotics with the Magicbit Robotics kit. I hope you are all ready. So let's go ahead and unbox and explore together. So our robotics kit comes with hardware, software content, and also a large community of people who can help you when you're stuck. So when starting off, it's important to always look for a hardware that is easy to use and that is cost effective. So let me just open up our Magicbit core. So as you can see, it comes in a very small compact box, and inside the box we have the starter guide, which is the manual that you can go through. Then we also have the Magicbit board in here. And if we look inside the box, we also have a USB cable and a Magic Blocks coupon. This can be used when you're doing the coding. So let's go to the Magicbit board here. The first thing you'll notice about the Magicbit board is that it is very small and easy to carry around. Just imagine it as a small computer. So it is like the brains of your robot. So this is what we normally code so as to tell the robot what to do. So in other words, the Magicbit core is the powerful brain of your robot that controls everything that it does. Now that we've seen what the Magicbit board is, let's see what is in it. So as you can see, there are lots of neat stuff on the board, like the buttons over here. We have LED lights. LED lights are basically just tiny colorful lights. Then we also have the OLED screen, which is just a fancy tiny screen. We even have a potentiometer, which helps to change values when you twist it. Plus, it also has an inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so that the robot can talk to other devices. How cool is that, huh? The Magicbit board also has extensions here for adding all sorts of sensors and modules so as to give it more functionality, such as detecting light or even measuring distance. It's like giving your robot new superpowers. So next to our robot's Magic core is the Magicbot here. So the Magicbot is just an accessory that works very well with our Magicbit core. And we use it to bring our robot to life, to make our robots move around and do stuff. So it has two wheels, two gear motors, as you can see, that makes it move around, zoom, 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 and a battery pack over here that makes it keep going. It powers it up. It also has additional sensors. These are called the IR sensors that reflect. They're like reflector sensors that help our robot see where it's going. Then it also has ultrasound sensors up here. And just like a bat, it uses this for hearing, okay? Hearing and telling whether there's an obstacle ahead of it, so it sends out the sound waves and listens to them to bounce back, helping it now to avoid the obstacles. And then in front here, it also has a little tiny ball that we call the caster ball. It's like a wheel that helps the robot stay balanced while it moves. So with all these amazing parts, our robot it's ready to take on any challenges. So I hope you're all excited to start building and programming your own robot with the Magicbit Robotics kit. I know I am. So get ready to unleash your creativity and make some magic happen.